In this video, we will learn what is pyDatalog. So what is pyDatalog? pyDatalog is used to implement logic programming paradigm into Python's toolbox. So let us solve some basic problems for better understanding of pyDatalog using Python. So here the problem goes like this. Encode the following facts and rules in pyDatalog. So just take a minute to read the facts and rules in the given screen. And finally, we'll write a query to find which animal is dark and big. So the code goes like this. And if you haven't installed pyDatalog in your Jupyter notebook, just type pip install pyDatalog and just run the command so that the pyDatalog will be installed. In my system, the pyDatalog is already installed, so I'm skipping this process. Yeah, so let us start by importing pyDatalog's library. So from pyDatalog, we will import pyDatalog. So pyDatalog has a inbuilt function known as create terms, where we create all the terms which belongs to the facts and rules. So here we create bear, elephant, cat, gray, brown, big, small, size, as well as color, and x. I'll say why x is used, and dark. Yeah, so let me now define all the given relation. So here this relation, we'll read this relation as bear is big, elephant is big, cat is small, and so on. So now here I am declaring a relation dark of x, that is, if x is an animal, it is called dark if its color is black or brown. So in our question, we need to print an animal which is dark and the size of the animal should be big. So print dark of x and size of x should be big. So here we get bear as the animal which has size big and the color is dark. So if you want to solve more problems using pyDatalog, the problem link is in the below description and the solution is also provided with that. Subscribe and stay tuned for more updates. Thank you and goodbye.